Hello, welcome to Creative Nerds. In this short Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a Lego style photo effect using Photoshop. So firstly, we want to start off by downloading a Lego background, which we have downloaded from unsplash.com by just simply typing in Lego background into the search. And what we want to do from there is turn the background to become black. So we're going to head over to our adjustments and we're going to select black and white, and then we're going to select both layers and create a smart object, so convert to smart object. And then from there, what we want to do is drag that layer under the photo effect, the photo that we want to apply our effect to. So the photo that's above is of a car, and we're simply going to change the blend mode to become overlay. From there, we're going to ensure our layer of our photo is still selected. Head over to filter, select pixelate, and from there we want to choose mosaic, and we're just going to adjust the settings to go with 13 and then select OK. And there you go, we've created a cool mosaic Lego style photo effect that you can apply to any photo. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.